Have you ever been in a relationship with someone in Japan? Or are you planning to date someone there? Hi, I'm Maki. Today, we are going to teach you some useful Japanese phrases for making plans with friends. In Japan, people don't really invite directly saying, "Let's go on a date." When they still don't know each other's feeling, they may ask people on a date more vaguely. In Japanese, to date is expressed as deito, deito, and to ask someone out on a date is expressed as sasobu, sasobu. We are using informal phrases because we are assuming we are talking to friends. Let's start with a simple question to ask. When you want to know if someone is available to hang out, maybe we can start with, "Are you available tomorrow?" Tomorrow in Japanese is asta, asta. Available in Japanese is aiteru, aiteru. Asta aiteru, asta aiteru. If the person is busy, you can ask when they're available. Itsu aiteru, itsu aiteru. Or if you want to make specific plan like Saturday, you could say, 今度の土曜日空いてる?今度の土曜日空いてる? Meaning, are you free this coming Saturday? Or if you don't really available this week, you may ask her, "Are you available next Friday?" In Japanese is 来週の金曜日空いてる?来週の金曜日空いてる? I know you must curious about what the person is doing tomorrow or today. If so, you could ask, 明日何してる?明日何してる? Meaning, what are you doing tomorrow? Or, 今日はどんな予定?今日はどんな予定? 予定 meaning plans. What are your plans for today? Sometimes I think it is easier to invite someone to have lunch or drinks. At that moment, I know you may want to ask, "Would you like to go to lunch or something?" In Japanese is よかったらランチでも行かない?よかったらランチでも行かない? If you are trying to decide on a day to meet up, you can suggest 月曜日とかどう?月曜日とかどう?月曜日とかどう? How about Monday or something? In this case, "toka" is only a suggestion, meaning how about Monday or something? And when you have agreed on a day and time, you can suggest a meeting place. To meet in Japanese is 待ち合わせ、待ち合わせ。待ち合わせはどこにする?待ち合わせはどこにする? Where should we meet? Or どこで待ち合わせする?どこで待ち合わせする? And then you can confirm the plan with a specific time and location. For example, let's meet up in front of the station at 6 o'clock. 6時に駅前で待ち合わせしよう。6時に駅前で待ち合わせしよう。But what if the person can't make it or feel like they are going to reject you? They are not saying they can't make it directly. They may say, ちょっとその日は用事があるので。ちょっとその日は用事があるので。I have something to do on that day, so. ちょっとその日は用事があるから。ちょっとその日は用事があるから。Don't worry. If they are not going to reject you, they may also suggest a different day and time. They may say, 明日は忙しいけど、明後日なら大丈夫。明日は忙しいけど、明後日なら大丈夫。I'm busy tomorrow, but I'm free the day after tomorrow. I think we have to know how to tell time in Japanese as well, because sometimes people will say a specific time to you. For example, 5時1個なら空いてるよ。5時1個なら空いてるよ。I'm available after 5 o'clock. Or 3時までなら暇だよ。3時までなら暇だよ。I'm available until 3 o'clock. I think you will be really excited if you could make a plan with friends. You can express your feeling and say, 楽しみにしてるよ。楽しみにしてるよ。Or 楽しみにしてるね。楽しみにしてるね。I'm looking forward to it. In Japanese, there is a saying that 3回目のデートで告白。3回目のデートで告白。Meaning that confessing on the first date. Some people believe that the first date is the right time to do it, while others think it's too soon. If you want to confess your love to someone, you could also check out this video as well. Thank you for watching this video on essential Japanese phrases for making plans with friends. I hope you found it is helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. 一緒に頑張りましょう。See you next video.